My favorite teacher. Hi kids, this is Aslan and he would like to tell you about his favorite teacher. Aslan loves going to school, where he learns new things every day, plays with his best friends, and have a good day. He listens keenly to his teachers. His favorite teacher is Zoya. She is the best teacher ever. She makes learning fun. Aslan learns the alphabets. 1, 2, 3. They do trace learning together. He also teaches him about the land animals and the sea animals. She tells the vegetable names. Aslan takes notes of everything he learns. Aslan learns about the different vehicles. And he likes learning science too. They learn and sing rhymes as well. Aslan learns how to plant and take care of plants. He learns about different insects and listens to their sounds. He learns the bird names. They all have so much fun with paints and colors too. They learn different shapes and their names. Zoya tells the kids about foods. She also encourages the kids to stay active. And there is a quiz break. The kids think and provide the right answers. And so they keep on learning. Aslan learns new things around the world. His teacher always tells him to be nice to people, to stay focused, stay healthy, stay strong, and to stay positive. They also learn about some good habits and some new interesting facts. Teaching is a very nice job and Zoya is the best teacher. She gives the kids homework for later. And so Aslan learns new things and has fun every day. He spends good time at school. And he is grateful for such a wonderful teacher, his favorite teacher, Zoya. Thank you for watching. See you soon.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Bye bye.